I feel a frustration, a constant whisper that I am no closer to achieving my dreams.
Who is that? That's Shelley. Beautiful, isn't he?
Just how old are you then?
Old enough to know why you are asking. I'm 16.
When I met you, I felt alive. Come away with me.
Are you really involved with that whoremonger?
I have a fire in my soul, and I will no longer allow you or anyone else to contain it.
Who amongst you has ever wondered if the dead could return to life?
Is that really possible? Reanimation?
We've been invited to Geneva by Lord Byron.
Would you like to join me in the Parliament, Miss Godwin?
I have no quarrel with you becoming lovers.
Do you wish to be with someone else? I no longer see the world and its works as they before appeared to me, and men appear to me as monsters.
We are each to write a ghost story. It's a competition. The woman is not intelligent enough to form ideas of her own.
What's wrong with you?
You, Miss Godwin, have the chance to prove me wrong.
Don't you recognize Victor Frankenstein?
This is no ghost story. It chilled me to the bone. You must get your story published, Mary.
Curious subject matter for a young lady.
Are you suggesting the work belongs to Mr. Shelley? It is my story. And you dare question a woman's ability to experience loss, betrayal, death. If I had not learned to fight through the anguish, I would not have found this voice. My choice has made me who I am, and I regret nothing.